Hello and welcome back to Wally's Tech World. Today I'll be reviewing the top 5 best dashcams for 2024. Just keep in mind that not all dashcams are created equal. If you are in the market for a dashcam, then you need to pick the one that suits your needs and budget the best. The 5 dashcams discussed in this video are all excellent dashcams, and they are presented in no particular order. I think we have something for every budget on our list. All items mentioned in the video can be ordered by using the links in the description below. Prices listed fluctuate daily and may vary from the price listed in the description. So let's get started. Looking for a reliable and affordable dashcam to keep you safe on the road? The ARIFAYZ dashcam might be just what you need. With its full HD 1080p resolution and wide 150-degree viewing angle, it captures clear, detailed footage of your surroundings day or night, ensuring that no incident goes unnoticed. Equipped with WDR, wide dynamic range technology, it balances light and dark areas in your videos, delivering crisp recordings even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the ARIFAYZ dash cam is its built-in G sensor, which automatically detects sudden movements or collisions and locks the footage, protecting it from being overwritten. This feature is crucial in case of an accident, as it ensures you have the evidence you need for insurance claims or legal proceedings. Additionally, the loop recording feature allows continuous video capture without having to worry about running out of storage, as the oldest files are replaced with new ones when the memory card is full. Another feature that makes the ARIFAYZ dash cam appealing is its 24-hour parking mode. With the use of a hardwire kit, sold separately, this dash cam can continue to monitor your vehicle even when parked, providing added security and peace of mind. Plus, its compact design allows for easy installation, and it won't obstruct your view while driving. Pros: high-quality recording, full HD 1080p resolution with WDR technology for clear videos. G-sensor automatically saves footage during sudden impacts. Parking mode offers continuous surveillance even when the vehicle is off. Cons: hardwire kit, not included, requires an additional purchase for 24-hour monitoring. No Wi-Fi connectivity, cannot transfer footage wirelessly to your smartphone. Limited internal battery life, requires constant power connection for extended use. In summary, if you're looking for an affordable feature-packed dashcam to enhance your safety on the road, the ARIFAYZ dashcam is a solid choice. With its excellent video quality, essential safety features, and easy installation, it's an attractive option for any driver. Whether you're recording your daily commute or ensuring your vehicle is secure while parked, this dashcam offers reliable performance at a great price. Current pricing is $45.99. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this dashcam. The Suvcon 3-channel dashcam is a powerful option for drivers who want complete coverage while on the road. This innovative dashcam records from 3 different perspectives: the front, the inside of the car, and the rear. With its full HD 1080p resolution, the Suvcon ensures that every detail is captured with clarity, making it ideal for recording accidents, road trips, or even rideshare services. The infrared night vision feature for the interior camera is a standout, allowing clear footage inside your vehicle, even in low light or at night. The dashcam also comes equipped with a built-in G sensor, which automatically locks footage during sudden impacts or collisions, ensuring critical evidence is saved. Its loop recording feature continuously overwrites old footage, so you don't need to worry about storage running out. Plus, the Suvcon dashcam offers 24-hour parking monitoring to keep your vehicle secure while you're away, providing peace of mind against vandalism or hit-and-run incidents. This dashcam's compact and sleek design makes it easy to install without obstructing your view while driving. The 3-inch LCD screen allows you to review footage directly on the device, and the user-friendly interface makes setup and use a breeze. Whether you're a regular commuter or a professional driver, this dashcam offers reliable performance and excellent coverage. Here is my list of pros and cons. Pros: triple camera coverage, records front, rear, and inside views for complete coverage. Night vision, infrared for clear recording inside the vehicle, even in darkness. G-sensor and loop recording, automatically locks important footage and never runs out of space. Cons: no Wi-Fi connectivity, does not offer wireless footage transfer to your phone. Hardwire kit, not included, requires additional purchase for parking monitoring. Limited field of view on rear camera coverage is narrower compared to front view. In summary, for those seeking full vehicle coverage, the Suvcon 3-channel dashcam is a great investment. Its combination of front, rear, and inside recording, along with its night vision and parking monitoring features, make it ideal for drivers who want extra security and peace of mind on the road. Current pricing is $50.99. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. The Pruveeo 360 View 4-channel dash cam is an advanced dash cam designed for drivers who want complete, panoramic surveillance of their vehicle's surroundings. Featuring four 1080p HD cameras, it captures a full 360-degree view, ensuring that every angle around your car is monitored. This is ideal for those who need comprehensive coverage for accidents, road incidents, or even for rideshare services. The ultra-wide viewing angle and high-definition video quality ensure clear recordings, day or night, with infrared night vision enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Pruveeo 360 dash cam is its seamless loop recording. The dashcam records continuously, overwriting the oldest footage when the memory is full, so you never run out of space. It also has a built-in G sensor, which automatically locks and saves footage in the event of a collision or sudden movement, safeguarding your most critical moments. The parking mode feature keeps your car protected while parked, ensuring your vehicle is monitored even when you're away. Plus, the dashcam is easy to install and designed to stay discreet while delivering comprehensive security. This dashcam's 4-channel recording system is perfect for those who want to capture the front, rear and side views of their car simultaneously. Whether you're a professional driver or someone who wants extra protection on the road, this 360-degree camera ensures you don't miss a thing. Here are my pros and cons for the Pruveeo dash cam. Pros: 360-degree coverage, full panoramic view with four 1080p HD cameras. Night vision. Infrared night vision ensures clear recordings in low-light environments. G-sensor and parking mode. Automatically saves crucial footage during impacts and provides security when parked. Cons: no Wi-Fi connectivity, lacks the ability to wirelessly transfer footage to your smartphone. Requires large storage capacity, high-quality 360-degree footage consumes significant memory. Bulky design. May take up more windshield space compared to smaller dashcams. In summary, if you're seeking an all-around comprehensive dashcam with 360-degree coverage, the Pruveeo 360 View 4-channel dashcam is a fantastic choice. With its high-definition video quality, night vision, and parking protection features, it provides a reliable solution for drivers who want extra security and peace of mind on the road. Current pricing is $132.99. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. The Rove R2 4K dash cam is one of the most advanced dash cams available for drivers seeking top-notch video quality and reliable safety features. With its Ultra HD 4K recording capabilities, this dash cam captures crystal-clear footage at a resolution of 2160p, ensuring that every detail on the road is visible. Whether you're driving in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the Rove R2 4K performs brilliantly thanks to its built-in Super Night Vision technology, which enhances video clarity during nighttime driving. One of the most attractive features of the Rove R2 4K dash cam is its built-in Wi-Fi functionality. You can easily download and share your footage directly from the dash cam to your smartphone using the Rove app, making it super convenient for viewing or submitting video evidence in case of accidents or disputes. The GPS tracking feature is another bonus, allowing you to accurately log your vehicle's speed and location on the video, which can be crucial for insurance claims or legal matters. The dashcam also comes with loop recording and a G sensor, ensuring that critical footage is automatically saved when a collision or sudden movement is detected. The wide 150-degree field of view gives you comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, capturing more than just what's in front of you. With easy installation and user-friendly controls, the Rove R2 4K offers high-quality performance in a compact design. Here are my pros and cons for the Rove R2. Pros: Ultra HD 4K recording, captures stunningly clear video at 2160p resolution. Wi-Fi and GPS, wireless footage transfer and real-time GPS logging add convenience and accuracy. Super Night Vision, enhanced low-light performance for clear nighttime recordings. Cons: storage-heavy, 4K video files are large and require significant storage capacity. No rear camera, only records the front view, which may not suit drivers needing full coverage. Limited battery life, primarily relies on external power for extended use. In summary, for drivers looking for exceptional video quality and advanced features, the Rove R2 4K dash cam is a standout choice. Its combination of Ultra HD recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and GPS tracking makes it perfect for those who prioritize clear, detailed footage and ease of use, whether for daily commuting or long road trips. Current pricing is $74.99. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. The Redtiger Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers looking to capture high-quality footage of their travels. With its 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear camera, this dual-channel dashcam offers crystal-clear video from both the front and back of your vehicle, ensuring complete coverage of your surroundings. Whether you're driving in broad daylight or at night, the Redtiger Dash Cam's superior night vision technology ensures clear visibility, making it easy to capture important details like license plates and road signs, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Redtiger Dash Cam is its built-in GPS tracking, which allows you to log your vehicle's speed and location directly onto the video footage. This feature is especially helpful for insurance claims or legal matters, providing accurate data when you need it most. Additionally, the dashcam is equipped with loop recording and a G-sensor, which automatically locks and saves crucial footage in the event of a collision, ensuring that your important files are protected from being overwritten. The dashcam also includes a parking monitor, giving you 24/7 protection by automatically recording if any movement or impact is detected while your car is parked. With a wide 170-degree field of view in the front camera and 140 degrees in the rear, the Redtiger Dash Cam covers a broad area, giving you peace of mind while driving. Easy to install and user-friendly, this dashcam is perfect for both casual drivers and professionals. Here are the pros and cons for this dashcam. Pros: 4K Ultra HD front and 1080p rear cameras, provides clear, detailed footage from both ends of the vehicle. GPS and G-sensor, built-in GPS for speed and location tracking and G-sensor for collision detection. Parking monitor, offers 24/7 protection while parked, detecting any movement or impact. Cons: requires large storage. 4K video files consume significant memory, requiring high-capacity SD cards. No Wi-Fi connectivity, lacks wireless transfer options for viewing footage on mobile devices. Hardwire kit sold separately. Parking monitor requires additional accessories for continuous use. In summary, for drivers seeking a high-quality dual-channel dashcam with advanced features like 4K video, GPS tracking, and a parking monitor, the Redtiger Dash Cam is an excellent investment. Its easy installation, crystal-clear footage, and reliable safety features make it a great choice for those who want to enhance their driving security. Current pricing is $129.99. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. And please subscribe to get updates on all our future videos. Let us know if you have any products or categories you would like us to include in a future video.